Harriet, can you read the topic?
Elliot's new friend. Elliot is a sad and lonely little elephant. He can't find his family. He walks and walks. He sees some tortoises. Hello, I'm Tutti. Who are you? I'm Elliot. I can't find my family. I can help. Let's go. They walk and walk. They see some zebras. Is that your family? No, those are zebras. I'm not a zebra. I'm an elephant. The zebras see Elliot and Tutti. The zebras are scared and they run away.
Nice. This one.
Tutti and Elliot.
One more time.
Tutti and is Elliot's dear friend. They eat together and they play together. Then they walk and walk again. They see some lions. Is that your family? No, those are lions. I'm not a lion. I'm an elephant. The lions see Elliot and Tutti. Elliot and Tutti are scared and they run away. It's nighttime. They sleep side by side. The next day, they walked and walked again. They see some elephants. Is that your family? Yes, those are elephants. I'm an elephant. Thank you, Tutti. You're my best friend. Now, Elliot has a family and a friend.
Very good.